According to the Global Wealth Report, the number of millionaires in the US is 20.27 million. Considering its significant growth and favorable price prediction to come in the next couple of years, Cardano has the potential to be a millionaire maker coin. But suppose you're damn serious about being wealthy with Cardano. In that case, you need not one or two, but a certain amount of Cardano that must be had within this time. What is that amount? Well, let's get right into it. There is so much going on in the cryptocurrency world that can confuse a novice investor. For example, how can Elon Musk's public diss with Bitcoin prompt a massive sell-off and halt the growth of some of the top tokens? Considering that the market was doing so well before the uproar, the drama is a bit overwhelming. When some of the most popular cryptocurrencies plunge, a few gain value. In the top 10 rated cryptocurrencies, Cardano was the only coin gained during the situation. The network took advantage of the situation to seek more popularity when it publicly reached out to Tesla to partner with them. The founder and CEO of IOHK, Charles Hoskinson, tags Cardano as the Swiss Army knife of protocols. It is highly regarded for its ability to solve real-world problems. Launching Cardano through an initial coin offering in September 2017, the founder and his team wanted to create a network that values security and privacy and met regulatory guidelines. This uniqueness is one of the major reasons why Cardano is seen as a potential mainstream cryptocurrency. Its regulatory-friendly nature makes it ideal for mainstream adoption, and its privacy features appeal to users. Although it is considered volatile as any other cryptocurrency, the ADA coin has been relatively stable. Its price and value has experienced the rise and fall several times, but not as dramatically as other cryptos. The coin closed in 2017 at 59 cents, a decent rise from the ICO price. The coin may be away from its all-time high, but there is a strong indication that it will bounce back and continue to rise in the future. Cardano's ADA is in the midst of a suffocating bear run, but the altcoin seems to be moving past the slowdown effects and taking a rise. Also, Bitcoin rose more than 8% over the last 7 days at the time of this recording, breaking above $31,000. It was trading near the $32,000 mark, which is a significant increase. This is the first time Bitcoin has broken above the $31,000 mark since early May. Its price has been hovering near or below $30,000 over the last few weeks, as the stock and crypto markets struggle to recover from multiple weeks of subsequent declines. This is good news for other cryptocurrencies, as a slight change in the price of Bitcoin determines the fate of other coins. This means that Cardano ADA will shake off its challenges and surge ahead. As an intelligent investor looking for strategic means to become a millionaire, wouldn't you consider an amount of 6,000 ADA? Who knows, this might be the best time to buy the dip, especially since crypto experts and analysts made a certain prediction that owning 6,000 ADA might make anyone a millionaire. Do you think Cardano is worth it? Well, it is. Soon enough, the whole world will be exclusively transacting electronically. Those who do it now stand a huge advantage of getting rewarded early. Trading and investing in crypto coins now helps avoid the eventual shock. This begs the question, which crypto coin can achieve that? When something new is first introduced to the market, it is inevitable to stagger. This underscores the essence of trading in small amounts to learn on the fly. Most investors just don't know what to do or where to start. Even setting up an account can be daunting for them, but once the initial step is out of the way, everything else is very intuitive. It may take years to build confidence in buying coins, but with Cardano, it's so easy. The profits in Cardano are real enough to make the journey fun and worth every investment. ADA and other crypto coins serve a legitimate purpose. Just like gold, they grow and store wealth. And for that purpose, Cardano makes for an easier transaction than actual gold. In the previous year, 2021, Cardano started as an unfamiliar cryptocurrency that had just entered mainstream investment. Fortunately, its growth rate and increasing adoption helped the digital token rise to the third position, adding more value to ADA's market capitalization. When the cryptocurrency was in the top 3, its market cap was $82 billion. Enthusiasts thought that Cardano might outperform Ethereum with its amazing features. It only felt possible and was not realistic because at the time, ADA faced harsh winds since it slipped from its stand. The price refused to rebound despite announcing new smart contract functionalities and decentralized applications in the network. For a long time, Bitcoin and Ethereum have occupied the first 2 positions in the cryptocurrency market. The digital tokens taking up the 3rd position in the cryptosphere are always seen as challengers to the 2 incumbents. Besides, those coins see massive adoption from investors and have become a major choice for first-timers. So far, Ripple, Cardano, and Binance coins have occupied the third position. The third coin seems to be a major problem solver for new investors. When ADA took over the third position, it immediately emerged as a major Ethereum killer. Most predictions for Cardano are in the positive line. The predictions are pretty believable concerning the history of the coin and the trends in the crypto space. Long-term predictions are often not as accurate as short-term predictions. From all indications, Cardano is likely to rise over the years and become a lot more valuable within the next 10 years. Cardano is part of the decentralized finance ecosystem, which is quickly becoming an industry of its own. DeFi will likely explode. In short, potentials are pretty enormous, and Cardano is one of the networks that will benefit from the expected explosion. Moreover, Cardano has the potential to be a millionaire maker, considering its significant growth and favorable predictions over the next couple years. Remember, 6,000 ADA is prospected to become a prominent millionaire. With more and more investors showing interest in Cardano, it would be smart to keep an eye on the cryptocurrency. It could just be the missing piece of the puzzle regarding your investment portfolio. Several factors affect the price of Cardano, from the development team to the way it functions. Cardano has an exceptional team backing the platform. Cardano gained significant popularity after its launch as the only peer-reviewed blockchain to ensure that there are no vulnerabilities in its protocol. Cardano's team also tested several protocols to prevent any bugs and hacks. Well, what are one of the biggest advantages that Cardano has over its peers? It's its two-layered structure. Cardano implements a computational and a settlement layer, ensuring scalability and quick transactions. Cardano can also be updated without any interference in the functioning of the platform. Also, the founders of Cardano describe it as a third-generation blockchain that solves the issues that plague the first and second generations. ADA is considered one of the more reliable currencies in the crypto space, seeing more improvements and overcoming significant challenges. Cardano is also more decentralized than Bitcoin and more scalable than Ethereum. This is credited to its unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, or Boros. Cardano's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism ensures better safety than other protocols. Security in cryptocurrency is essential, given the rise of cyber attacks and hacker threats. Cardano has an excellent track record when implementing security features and privacy on its protocol. Since Cardano is a decentralized cryptocurrency, it can give access and provide a digital identity to unbanked citizens across the world. This is true in the case of developing countries as well. Cardano has already initiated efforts in different parts of the world to give unbanked populations access to financial systems. Another interesting fact is that the creators of Cardano are taking a deliberate approach towards rolling out features on the network, and some key features that will define its potential are just in their infancy. For instance, the network only recently introduced the ability to carry out smart contracts. As a result, it will have to catch up on more established smart contract protocols like Ethereum and Solana. While Hoskinson believes that Cardano is the best way to carry out the vision that began with Ethereum, the older protocol still has many fans, and is continuing to roll out updates that will help it compete with newer entrants. Other well-known developers are targeting the space as well. Generally, many people believe blockchain technology will underpin a massive economic shift that eliminates the costs and impediments of centralized services. Don't forget the gist, the prospect, the strategy, the timing, and the amount. This looks like the time we have all been waiting for, a time to go all in. This will be one of your best decisions ever. But with that being said, be sure to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, be sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.